I was hacking in the lab quite late one night, soldering pins and debugging the bytes, when suddenly a bang exploded with sparks, and a figure emerged from the hazy dark.
It wore a mask.
It wore a monster
A
mask.
monster mask.
Its eyes were LCD
It
glass.
wore a mask.
It had some chips on the back
The monster mask.
and a sweet solder mask. Soon I discovered I had nothing to fear. This ghoulish rage wasn't how it appeared. This creature didn't want to do me in. It just wanted new eyes, so I plugged them right in.
It wore a mask.
I was coding so
The
fast.
monster mask.
I used some pictures of
It
cats,
wore a mask.
uploading firmware to
The
Flash,
monster mask.
and the results were a smash. Those programmable eyes, so easily customized. And once we got it all right, we would party all
The
night.
monster mask.